Hey everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today I'm going to discuss about the most common problem that most English learners face. It's quite easy for you to understand native English speakers, but when it comes to interacting with them and when it comes to talking in English, your mind goes blank. Well, that's the quite common problem. Today, I'm going to suggest to you a framework for these problems that I'm just explaining. Like, firstly, your mind goes blank when it comes to speaking. You have public speaking fear. Third, like you have a lot of words in your mind, but when it comes to utilizing those words, seems like vanished. Also, mostly in the interviews, if you feel anxious and you want to be able to speak in a composed and well-mannered way, this framework will definitely work for you. Let's get into it without wasting any time. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel. So this framework called PrEP. What this framework mean? Let me explain it to you. P stands for the point, R stands for the reason, E stands for the example, and P stands for the point by rephrasing it. It's a very simple framework. Let me give you an example to describe how you guys can deliver your message in English, or it will overall help you to improve your communication. So first of all, you need to select any topic. All right, what's your point? So that's what my point is. It's important for you to speak English. Now, the R, like I have to give a reason. I will say because it's an international language and opens doors to the opportunities. That's my reason. Now with example, I'll clarify. Like when I've learned English language, so it totally changes my financial career. It literally boosted my confidence a lot, I can say. So that's my example that when I personally learned this language, so it totally changed my whole stuff, my whole personality. Now again, I'll rephrase my point. So that's why it's important for all of us to improve the English language. You observe that if you have this framework in your mind, so it doesn't matter, you're in a presentation, in an interview, you are doing anything, you can organize your speech. What's your point? What you want to say? Let me give you one more example. Learning self-confidence is a pivotal part of your life. That's what my point is. So I can give a reason. Because when you have confidence, so it helps you to talk and deliver your message with proficiency in much more efficient way. Then example, for instance, when I had zero confidence, so I had a lot of amazing ideas to discuss, but when it comes to speaking up, what happened to me was because I had no confidence, I'd never be able to deliver it, and always I just missed a lot of opportunities. That's my example. And again, I'll go with a point by rephrasing it. That's why it's pivotal, it's crucial for all of us to work on our confidence. So if you have this PrEP framework in your mind in an organized way, trust me, it will change your language game. Doesn't matter you are learning Spanish, English, or you want to work on your communication skills. This PrEP framework will do wonders for your communication in any language. Pause this video, stand in front of mirror and try it now. P stands for point, R stands for reason, E stands for example, and P stands for point by rephrasing it. If you like my today's video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with other English learners to help them out. And give this video a thumbs up if you want to interact with me. You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle link is in the description below, and drop me a beautiful comment below that this cap suits me or not. Take care of yourselves in the next video. Bye bye.